What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be talking about phone trading versus computer trading. Now my personal preference would always go to my phone, even though I do all my setups on my computer and it's just easier that way. It's just what's worked for me. Now nonetheless, I do sometimes execute trades on my computer, but since I not grew up, but I essentially got very used to the MetaTrader on the phone, it's just something I'm more comfortable with managing my trades. Now, with that said, I do not take trades that I do off of my phone. All that means is that I make sure that all my TAs and all my analysis and all my fundamental research is done on the computer. So the main thing is whenever I go to take a trade, it's all based off of all the information and everything I gathered from my computer rather than my phone. My phone, I feel like I'm too limited and I'm kind of like blindsided to a lot of little things just because there are too many distractions on our phone, frankly, to confidently say that you're 100% focused on looking for that trade setup or looking through all the news and stuff like that going on for the day. Now, is there a right and wrong answer for this? No, I know a lot of people that personally just trade on the computer just because they feel like that's when they're most locked in and that's just where they're the most comfortable because they feel like that's their workstation compared to your phone where you have a lot of leisure activities done on it and it's not really something you're very serious with. Only thing I would recommend is, do whatever works best for you. Now, if you feel like you're way too distracted on your phone and you feel like maybe you take too many losses on the phone because it kind of feels like a game to you, and I know that sounds pretty fucked up just because trading's not a game. It's something that's very, very serious and it's hard to do as is. So you definitely should be taking it seriously, not lightly. Now, the only easy transition you could have is do RTAs off of the computer like I do, and then take the trade while you're on the computer and just use your phone to manage it. That's what I do and it's always worked for me. And I don't personally drive anybody or try to force someone to get into the habits that I do, but it's just what's worked for me personally and that's all I can speak on. I'm not trying to say that phone trading or computer trading is better or worse. Just try both and see what works best for you. Frankly, if you feel like the computer really isn't for you just because the MetaTrader on there is a little too complicated, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a little outdated. It's not really as pretty as it is on the phone or even other, if you're using MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and you've traded stocks before, you're gonna be like, dang, this looks nothing like my Thinkorswim, like my Robinhood, like my TD Ameritrade. All those platforms look way better than your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So you kind of feel like you downgrade a little bit and everything's outdated and it's ugly. And I get it, it's not that appealing. But hey, sometimes boring works. Sometimes outdated works. That's the scope of how business is or how trading is essentially. Now, do as you guys will with that information. Just don't feel like you guys are obligated to do one or the other because someone told you so. It's not a magic formula. It's not something that's gonna automatically make you win more trades. It might help you psychologically if you feel like you're too distracted on one device or the other, and that's perfectly fine. Then it's all about knowing you and knowing what your preference is and what works best for you individually. The main thing with trading is that you have the beauty of being yourself. You have your own trading style, you have your own routine, you have your own trading plan, and you could all grow from there and scale it into whatever ends that you want to get to. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment down below whatever you guys want to see posted up next, or any questions you guys might have. Don't forget that there still is a private Telegram link down below where you guys have direct access to me. I'm not too sure how much longer I'm going to have that open, so take advantage of it while it's still down there. Hope you guys enjoy.
Hey guys, sorry for interrupting your video, but I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys check the link in the description, I do have a private little link right there for you guys to have direct access to me through Telegram. It's not a bot, it's not some computerized assistant or anything. It's my personal Telegram link to where you can send me messages on any questions you guys have or other topics you guys want to talk about, and I'll be more than happy to respond to you guys. I'll try to respond to as many as you as possible. If I don't respond at the same time, just give me a couple minutes or an hour and I'll get to you accordingly. Now, also in the link in the description, I do have all the free Telegram, the signals chat. I do have the website where I offer all the services, and I also have a direct link to the free forex and stock market coursework as well as crypto coursework.